Rise and shine. Wake up and get ready for the day. Rise and shine, it's morning. Rise and shine, it's time for work. Wear and tear. Damage caused by normal use over time. The shoes show some wear and tear. The car has wear and tear after many years. Neat and tidy. Clean, organized, and in order. Keep your desk neat and tidy. The kitchen is always neat and tidy. Rough and tough. Strong and not easily hurt. The boxer is rough and tough. The player looked rough and tough. Peace and quiet. A calm place without noise. I enjoy peace and quiet in the village. After work, he likes peace and quiet at home. Safe and sound. Safe without harm. We reached home, safe and sound after the rain. She came home safe and sound. Sick and tired. Very annoyed or bored with something. I am sick and tired of waiting. They are sick and tired of the noise. Hustle and bustle. A place full of noise and busy activity. The market was full of hustle and bustle. I don't like the hustle and bustle of the city. short and sweet. Short but pleasant. Her speech was short and sweet. The party was short and sweet, but fun.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!